called Take Your Hands Off Red-Haired Mary. As I was going to bed and sitting down one day morning, left to lie a finding my table behind red-haired Mary to play. Me, my red-haired Mary, the donkey can carry too. I looked up to me, I was thinking to me, oh, we do. Thank the kindness that I am so then and toss me like red-haired. When you hold in your heart, get a bite, you can take no bed. And wherever it is, it's only Jimmy, hardly have to say goodbye when it's but up behind it, it's your right and his left eye. Take your hands off red-haired Mary, she right up till the red. We are wearing the sky now, so let me let our bodies stay. Red-haired Mary, she and I are to be